This video gives an overview of the main features available on Knowledge Exchange. Use Knowledge Exchange to access technical content for Johnson Controls brands. See the links in user tips and additional resources for further information. You do not have to log on to view documents on Knowledge Exchange. However, if you log on, you can access features such as My Searches, Bookmarks, Personal Books, and Collections. To log on, go to the Log On page. Johnson Controls employees can log on using single sign-on. Other users can sign up and log on with a public account. To search for a document, enter a search term. Results appear in book, PDF, or topic form. Books and PDFs are full documents and topics are document sections. Use the filters on the search page to perform an advanced search. Click Save to save an advanced search to your My Searches page. You can add an optional name and description to your saved search here. Select this box to receive email updates if the content in your saved searches changes. To view a document, click on it in the search page. Use the table of contents to easily navigate the document. Or use the search bar to find the specific term. If available, you can download a PDF of a document. In the PDF viewer, you can use the table of contents to navigate the document. On your keyboard, press Ctrl F to search for a specific term. Access download and feedback options here. You can also download and print the PDF using the browser PDF controls. To bookmark frequently viewed content, open the action menu of the topic and click Bookmark. To view bookmarks, click the Bookmarks tab. Or click My Library, then Bookmarks. Use the Document Feedback option to highlight potential errors in documents. To send feedback, click the Action menu, then click Send Document Feedback. Use the Personal Book feature to select and organize topics. To create a personal book, click the Action menu, then click Add to Personal Book. Select a previously created personal book, or click New Personal Book. Select the topics that you want to add. To view your personal book, click My Library. Click Personal Books. Click Edit Personal Book to arrange the existing topics, delete topics from the book, and write your own topics for personal use. Use collections to group together content that you use regularly. For example, a field engineer could use collections to store all documents related to a particular job. To view collections, click My Library, then Collections. To add content to the collection, navigate to a document that you want to include. Open the document title bar and click Collections. To add the document to a collection, click the title of the collection. To remove a document from a collection, click the title of the collection again. To return to the home screen, click the Johnson Controls logo. Thanks for watching.